English together.
At the hospital.
Tom had been in the hospital for a few days, recovering from a back injury he sustained while playing basketball.
Hi, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling all right, just a little tired.
That's understandable. Let's check your vitals and see how you're doing.
Okay.
Your blood pressure and temperature look good. Are you experiencing any pain?
Yes, my back is still hurting.
I'll let the doctor know and see if we can adjust your pain medication.
Thank you.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hi there, how are you feeling today?
I'm still in some pain, but it's not too bad.
It looks like we can adjust your pain medication to help you feel more comfortable.
Thank you, that would be great.
I'm also going to order some additional tests to make sure we're on the right track with your treatment. In the meantime, make sure to rest and drink plenty of fluids. We'll check in with you tomorrow and see how you're doing.
Thank you, doctor. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. We put a lot of heart into all of our content and your support means a lot to us. Thank you for watching.
Hey man, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling a little better. Thanks for coming to visit me.
Of course, we wanted to check in and see how you're doing.
Yeah, we miss hanging out with you.
I miss you guys too.
How's the food here?
It's not great, but I'm surviving.
We brought you some snacks and magazines to help pass the time.
Wow, thanks guys. You really didn't have to do that.
So, did they say when you might be able to leave?
They're still running some tests, but hopefully soon.
That's good news. We're here to support you through this.
Thanks guys. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.